1, 2, 3, 4. Chorus F. And the bridge. And I believe in memories, they look so. 4 times. You do that 4 times, not just twice, and then you go F, G, da 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 F, do do da da da. You guys get the idea. I did the original version of the song, hello everybody, and with the big bar chords, but this is for everybody who wants to just play the song and have it sound close to the original, but just be a little bit easier. So, cap on the 5th fret, and we're doing chords in the key of C. C major, C/B, put the middle finger up there, A minor, you could do normal A minor, or I like to do an A minor 7, and then G, which you can play any way you want, well, any way that it is a G. I like to use this G, pinky at the bottom, ring at the top. And F, which you can use the little F like this, but I like to use the big F, or this one with the thumb, so that you can get the F/E afterwards. F, F/E, and then we're gonna go to a D minor. So if you use the little F, you're gonna go F, E, but I would just play F then. D minor, and then G. That's it. The strumming for the song is basic. It's just a bass, up, down, up. So if you're on a C, it's going to be bass note, the root note of the chord, bass, up, down, up, bass, up, down, up, bass, up, down, bass, up, down, up, bass, up, down, up, bass, up, down, up, bass, up, down, up, bass. Except in the chorus, we're going to go to a down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then switch down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. That little ding that I do is on the chorus. They have an F sharp there at the end. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. The size and we're together. So on the up strum, you're gonna just do an F sharp note there. You could do it on the G, playing it like that. You could do the whole thing with Travis picking. P-I-P-M, P-I-P-M, P-I-P-M. You get the idea. Pretty basic stuff. Pretty cool. Have a nice day, guys. I'll see you in newer videos. Stay cool. Like, subscribe.